Okay, guys, so I want to show you what Planoly is like on mobile here. Um, Basically, it's exactly how it was on desktop. So if you prefer to work on your mobile device versus on a computer, you can still do that. You can create a post, you can upload photos, you can look at their free stock photos on here. Um, you can pretty much do whatever you want. So basically, I'm just going to go back. I'm just going to show you here how we can push out a post. So if you want, you can schedule posts. So let's just say we have a caption in here, right? Um, okay. And then you can still access all of your hashtag groups. You can actually create new hashtag groups on your mobile device as well. And then you can either schedule for whenever you want, or you can post now. So I'm not going to go all the way through this process just because I just did one, but then this didn't record on my screen. So we're going to just say we're going to post this. We're going to hit post. They're always going to ask you, make sure that you're logged into the Instagram account that you want to post to. Post now. So, I mean, the thing is, you can schedule this ahead to be pushed out automatically, or you can just stockpile your account up so that at least you've got stuff to work with on a daily basis when you are working on your social media. So then you can pick either feed or story. I'm going to go with feed. And then this is where you can edit your photo if you want. Um, Pick a filter if you want, right? Next. And then this is where you can copy your caption. So you just tap your finger down there and hit paste. I'm not going to post this. But this is where you should most definitely add your location, depending on where you are. That's how you will grow in a local market. I also don't really recommend sharing out to your Facebook page from Instagram. It's something that a lot of people do. But the thing is that Facebook and Instagram, although they are connected, they're two totally different platforms, and different types of posts work better on each platform, right? So we'll get further into Facebook training on a different video, but I just wanted to show you this. I love it. Planoly is great. If you have more than one business, it's also awesome because you can have like as many accounts as you want, right? So anyway, I hope that that was helpful. You basically would just hit share if you wanted to post this. I'm not going to because I didn't write a caption there, but that is that. And hopefully you like this video.